now time to put in our 3D views. So we're in chapter 804 and the file's called 3D views. We need to create a viewport, and the easiest way to do that is just to click and drag with our finger on the control key to make a copy of one of the original ones. So we'll just take a copy of the site plan, and then under our SketchUp model, let's close some of these down. What I've done is just closed off. I'll close off the scrapbook for the moment. We'll just go down to SketchUp model. And then under the scenes, we'll change that from site plan to 3D1. This is our 3D1 view. And let's just drag this out so we can see what we've got. Now what we can do with this thing is to double click it inside, and then we can zoom out to see our view, and then press our finger on the shift key. We can zoom in to our view. Now, if we click away from it, that's going to set that view. We get under our scenes modified 3D1 view. And what I also want to do is just close this down because we haven't got that preserve scale on resize. We're just resizing this. And again, finger on the shift key to constrain that view. Then I can bring it up a bit. Now adjust it a bit more. I mean, I want to really get this in there so I can pan across. So it does take a little bit of adjusting, and then just pull it out a little bit more to make it slightly bigger. And again, shift key just to set the size. It does take a little while because it's quite a big file to adjust. And then we can copy this over to this position. And if we keep our finger on the shift key and the control key, we also constrain our view. So control key to copy, shift key to lock the position when we drag. Now we got our 4 views there. Now we might want to adjust them later on. And then in this one, we'll go to 3D view 2. We'll go to 3D view 3. And 3D view 4. And then we can adjust them again, spend a little bit of time just getting the views correct. And all that's left for us to do now is to add a little bit of text to these just to describe the views. We need to add north points for this one, and then any other information relating to the site plan and the location plan. And then that's our cover sheet complete.